The war between Russia and Ukraine has just caused a terrible natural disaster in the city of Kherson. In the southern region of Ukraine under Russian control, a colossal dam was destroyed, leading to catastrophic flooding. The Ukrainian military and NATO accused Russia of deliberately blowing up the dam, while Russia blamed Ukraine. As a result, a large evacuation was launched in low-lying areas on both sides of the Dnipro River.
Там внизу до 21-ї школи стадіон заповнений повністю, до школи дійшла.
Дніпропетровська область. Ось такі, друзі мої, сучасної трагедії, сучасної України.
A colossal breach formed in the dam, allowing a torrent of water to pass through and flood downstream towards Kherson. The Nova Kakhovka station was completely destroyed and beyond repair. The exact timing of the initial damage to the dam remains uncertain, but satellite images indicate gradual deterioration over several days. As water gushed from the vast Kakhovka reservoir through the compromised dam, many villages, towns and farmlands were quickly flooded. Thousands of people residing on both sides of the river were evacuated from their homes. However, the scale of the disaster is not yet determined.
Що, запуталась?
Катастрофа стихійна, не стихійна.
Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.